Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to do some sums and ratio. So it's from your exercise. It's exercise B, page number 112. Let's start. Sum number 4. Sum number 4. If 5 plus 2 by x is 2, 4 plus 3 by x equals to 1, then we have to find out the value of x. So first, before doing the sum, we are going to take the LCM. LCM of 1 and x, it will be x. So this one will be 5x plus 2. Here also the LCM will be x. So this one will be 4x plus 3. Now we are going to change the ratio sign to division form. So we write 5x plus 2 by x divided by 4x plus 3 by x equals to 1. Now if I change this division sign to multiplication sign, what am I going to get? This sign, this one will get reversed. If I change division to multiplication, x will come to the numerator part, 4x plus 3 will go to the denominator. X gets cancelled, and now what do we get? We get 5x plus 2 by 4x plus 3 equals to 1. Now we do the cross multiplication, that is 4x plus 3 into 1 and 5x plus 2 into 1. Now we separate the terms, that is 4x we will bring it to the left hand side and this 2 will bring it to the right hand side. So 5x minus 4x, 3 minus 2. So 5x minus 4x will be x and 3 minus 2 will be 1. So x equals to 1. That's my answer. Now the next one is sum number 5. If a is to b equals to 2 is to 3, b is to c equals to your 4 is to 5 and c is to d is 6 is to 7. Find a is to b is to c is to d. So a by b equals to 2 by 3, b by c equals to 4 by 5 and c by d equals to 6 by 7. Here we have some common terms. What are my common terms? B is the common term here also, and c is also the common term here. So anyhow this common terms value has to be the same. So first we look into the value for b. Here we have 3, here we have 4. So if I multiply this term by 4 and this term by 3, then only my b term in both the cases will be same. 8, 4 3s are 12. This one 12 by 15. So this is my b by c and this is my a by d value. Why? Because here my b term is same. And since b term is common, its number or its digit also has to be common. Now we come to c by d. Here c term is the common term. Here c, what is the value? It is 15. So by how much we are going to multiply, then we are going to get 15. So we are going to multiply this term by 15 by 6. 15 by 6. Because if I multiply this entire term by 15 by 6, the numerator part, that is the c term, will be your 15 because 6 gets cancelled. And that is our main focus. C term has to be equal. 7 into 15 by 6. Right? So C gets 15. And here what do we get? It is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. So we get 35 by 2. The denominator portion. Now what do we write? Let's see. A is to b equals to 8 is to 12. B is to c equals to 12 is to 15. C is to d equals to 15 is to 35 by 2. We are writing in the form of the ratio. 8 is to 12 means obviously 8 by 12. So now, then what is A is to B is to C is to D? A will be 8. B, in both the cases it is 12. We come to C. C also in both the cases it is 15. And D 35 by 2. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find the value. Here in the denominator we have 2. We are going to multiply this 2 term with all the other digits. So 8 2s are 16, 12 2s are 24, 15 2s are 30, and this one will be 35. So this will be my answer for A is to B is to C is to D. We move to the next sum. Sum number 6. If 10 is to 12 equals to 15 is to x, find x. 10 is to 12 means 10 by 12 equals to 15 is to x means 15 by x. We do the cross multiplication. So 10 into x equals to 15 into 12. Now to find out x, 10 will go to the denominator. 15 into 12 by 10. Now on simplification, what do we get? 15 and 10 are divisible by 5. So 5 3s are and 5 2s are 10. 2 and 12 they are divisible. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. So x will be 18 over here. That is the answer. Okay. Next sum is sum number 8 subpart 2. 8 subpart 2. 8 subpart B. What we have to do, we have to arrange the following ratios in the ascending order. Means whatever ratio I will be providing, we have to arrange them in their increasing or ascending order. So what are my ratios? This one 1.5 is to 2.5. Next 2.5 is to 3.5, and last one, it's given in simple form, that is 2 is to 5. Now the first one, let's see. 1.5. How do we find out the simple fraction? 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5 by 2. This is the first one. Here 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. 2 is to 5. Now when I change the ratio to division, 3 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Divided by 5 by 2. 5 by 2 divided by your 7 by 2. And this one we have 2 by 5. This is a simple form. So writing as 2 by 5. This one, when I change to multiplication, when I change the division to multiplication, it will be 2 by 5. Okay. Then 5 by 2, if I change to your multiplication, it will be 2 by 7. And this we have 2 by 5. So what do I get? I get 3 by 5. I get 5 by 7. I get 2 by 5. Right? Now, in order to determine their values, whether this is larger, this is lesser, what do? We have to take the LCM. LCM of which numbers? LCM of the denominators, that is 5, 7 and 5. If we find out their LCM, it will be coming as 35. LCM for all these three numbers will be 35. So 5 7s are 35, 7 3s are 21, 7 5s are 35, 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 7 2s are 14. So this one is minimum, then comes second, then comes your third. So what is the order? Your order is 2 is to 5, 2 is to 5, then your 1.5 is to 2.5, and then we have your 2.5 is to 3.5 on the basis of the numerators. Okay, so this is the ascending order of the given ratios. So that's it, class. Thank you.